Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share the recipe of veg kurma. Come, let's cook. In a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use butter also instead of ghee. Now we are going to add the veggies. First add thinly sliced onions. Here I am taking only 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 carrot, cut it into small pieces, 4 chilies, 1 potato, 1 cup of green peas, 1 cup of cauliflower. Now add salt as per taste. After adding the salt, mix it well and allow the vegetables to get cooked on medium flame up to 10 minutes. When the vegetables are half cooked, you can add the spices. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and mix it well. As the vegetables are half cooked, now we can add water into it. So after mixing it well, now we are going to add 2 cups of water to the vegetables. And cook the vegetables on low flame up to 10 minutes. When the vegetables are fully cooked, now we are going to add the main ingredient, that is the paste of coconut and cashews. So here I have taken 1 small cup of grated coconut and about 50 numbers of cashews and make a fine thick paste of it. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of sugar, and mix it well and cook about 10 minutes on low flame, and at last add some fresh coriander leaves. And here the tasty, yummy veg kurma is ready. Thank you for watching.